addicted. Damn, I knew I'm gifted. Itching for the chicken, back to the business. Man, these folks be on a mission. Can't be trusted, can't be spinning. Nothing funny, catch me grinning. Y'all be losing, I be winning. And I know this from the jump. Y'all been hating since the beginning. Hey, you ain't nothing but a broke boy, 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 broke boy, broke motherfucking boy, broke boy, broke boy, broke motherfucking boy, broke boy, motherfucking boy, broke.
These packs suck, bro. You serious, son? Let me get a heat, motherfucking. Comment down in the chat what shoes you wore today. Heat check coming up on 1 milli. New heat dropping for 2020. Oh! You got a pink diamond. Timberwolves. Who the fuck is this? Nah, man. I don't like Andrew Wiggins like that. He's a casual. Beyond 1,002. He's a Harrison Barnes 2.0. He's riding the bench. He's probably going to be lucky if he's even on my team. What shoes you wore today? White Max 97s, Laser 4s, Black Air Force 1s, 6s, DI 4s, Kyrie SpongeBob's, you wore Curry's, Space Jam 11s. What's up? Oh shit! Oh yeah! 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 Fuck yeah! Shaq! Oh shit! I know that color. No! I thought I knew that color. No! This Lonzo Ball. We don't need a point guard. Fuck! Damn! I thought I got Shaq. Ain't he still worth something to this Lonzo Ball? Fuck, man! I thought I got Shaq. Yeah, y'all spamming out. He's not even worth anything, man. Fuck, man. I'm gonna have to just probably end up buying Shaq. Fuck. Bro, I thought I had him, dog.
Go. Yo, young boy, what's your name, bro? How you say your name, young Boosie? Go down. See me go down.
Alright, let's go dumb. 2 more pack openings. You're just gonna buy him, yo. That's bullshit, bro. I thought I had him. Up in person. But my